Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics 101. Today, we're tackling a common crypto task, transferring Bitcoin from Coinbase to Wealthsimple in 2025. With crypto platforms evolving, this process is simpler than ever, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're moving your assets for better yields or portfolio management, I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Wealthsimple, and that you have some Bitcoin sitting in your Coinbase wallet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and locate your Bitcoin wallet. It's usually under the Assets tab. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your Bitcoin balance. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the recipient's details. Before you proceed, switch over to Wealthsimple. Step 3. Log into Wealthsimple and navigate to the crypto section. Look for the Deposit or Add Funds option for Bitcoin. Wealthsimple will generate a unique wallet address for you. Make sure to copy it carefully, as this is where your Bitcoin will go. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste that Wealthsimple address into the recipient field. Double-check it. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could mean lost funds forever. Step 5. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total before confirming. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to verify this step. Step 6. Hit Confirm and watch the magic happen. The transfer will go through the Bitcoin network, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour in 2025, depending on congestion. Once it's complete, hop back to Wealthsimple and refresh your account to see your Bitcoin arrive. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and keep an eye on any platform-specific fees or requirements. That's it, you've successfully moved your Bitcoin. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments. See you next time.